Here's a brief 50-second tutorial on how to craft a perfect AI image prompt through Leonardo AI. Include screenshots or screen recording of the following steps for visual demonstration. Step 1. Register and log into the Leonardo AI website or app using your preferred email or social media account. You care. Once logged in, navigate to the Creator prompt section. Select the option to craft an AI image prompt, which may be labeled as New Prompt or Create Image Prompt. Step 4. Choose the type of content you want to generate, such as art, photorealistic, or concept art. Provide a detailed description or keywords for your prompt. For example, specify the scene, character's mood, and any specific elements you want to be included in the generated image. As just any additional settings or preferences for the AI model you wish to use, such as artistic style, color palette, or level of abstraction. Stepping, you finalize your prompt, ensuring that all the necessary details are included. So I click on the generate or create button to initiate the AI image prompt generation process. Once the image prompt is generated, review the results and make any necessary adjustments or iterations to improve the quality or match your expectations. Download or save the final AI generated image prompt for your use. By following these steps, you can craft a perfect image prompt through Leonardo AI, enabling you to generate high quality visual content tailored to your needs.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join my channel. Thanks so much for being here, and your support means the world to me, and it keeps me motivated to create more content that you'll love. I'll see you in the next video.